No, it's not deja vu. We're just staying at a different location. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, to the Margaritaville Island Inn. Now, if you recall last time, I stayed at the Margaritaville in Gatlinburg. I'm going to stay here in Pigeon Forge tonight. I'm going to give you a review of the room. So let's go take a look. Our adventure starts here. The Margaritaville Island Inn is easy to find. It's right next door to Alcatraz East. And this is Betty. She's a 9-year-old macaw. And when you walk into the lobby, you see all these paintings of parrots for the parrot heads. And there's the man himself, Jimmy Buffett. They don't have as much merchandise as they did in the one in Gatlinburg, but they still have things you can buy. And this is the front desk. And this is really nice. The front desk has like a basket weave pattern in front. This is the lobby, and I have to talk over the copywritten music. And I can see already, I think I like the resort in Gatlinburg better. It had a nicer area, it was larger. Unlike the resort in Gatlinburg, this location serves breakfast 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily. And this is the area where they serve the breakfast. And this area looks really nice. You can sit here by the fire. I like the pattern of the carpet. It looks like the reflection you see in a pool. This is the front of my door, and you see it's just an ordinary hotel door. The one in Gatlinburg had kind of a lattice look to it. That's okay. Let's go see what it looks like inside. Okay, so here's my room, and immediately off to the right is the bathroom. Has this nice weathered wood appearance to it. Here's the sink. This is a shower, and it's much different than the one in Gatlinburg. In Gatlinburg, it was a separate shower and bathtub, and here they're combined. As you exit the bathroom, you turn right, and it leads into the bedroom. And you see it looks a little bit like the one in Gatlinburg, but it's not as fancy. I'm glad to see they have the K-cups, as well as a microwave and a refrigerator. And off to the right of the refrigerator and microwave are drawers and a desk and your TV. And then over here is the balcony. You see, this is a door rather than a sliding glass door like the one in Gatlinburg. And I'm on the 4th floor. And I'm across from pancakes, beef jerky, and traffic. My final assessment of this room is it's okay. It's pretty good. I'd give it a B. I like the resort in Gatlinburg much better. This is an inn, and the other one is a resort. I had a nice view from my balcony in Gatlinburg, and like you had seen, I'm overlooking the parkway on my balcony here. The one benefit I do see of this place is that it offers breakfast free, and the other place did not. And I hope in the future to check out the Island Resort and see what that's like. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And in the description box down below, I'll have links to my PayPal and my Patreon, as well as my Teespring. So until next time, everyone, this is Cashew signing off.